reason to get nervous, even if this is worthless, turning blessings into curses. On the face of this earth since Adam received Eve for his first testes on the church fence. Illuminate, innovate within her fate like a dinner plate full of bait that the sinner ate. Winter state of mind like Indiana in December. Wait, rewind, see I remember that they wanted us to fail. I guess we disappointed them. I guess they didn't know that they were fucking with anointed men. They wanted us to fail. I guess we disappointed them. I guess they didn't know that they were fucking with anointed men. I'm disgusted with the person I've become. Created, fitted, and rusted. Must get worse before it doesn't. Related to the cluster. These inundated struggles we're facing pale in comparison to all of the lust and the rage. If we trust and behave, accustomed to it's just to be saved. Plus we repaved the road that wasn't touched to be changed. It's all for nothing. Something tells me we just busted the chains. What's in the veins of a pitbull that's been stuck in a cage? Now we're indebted, ignorant in the direction we're headed, to the embedded innocence, which is reflections of heaven. I haven't felt this way in so long. I'm attesting the reverend is the path I'm traveling in indiscretion. I'm guessing that they just